Hey everyone, so I got my first gift and I'm so excited about it. I just wanted to show you guys. Many may know, but some may not. I am pregnant. I am close to 5 months now, so I'm super excited. We're getting ready for baby girl. But I just want to show you guys this gift I got because it's my first time getting this gift, and I think that bottle is in here. I don't think this one is in here, but the disposables and disposable undies and the ice packet and the liners and this healing foam is all in here. So I don't know why that one was shown, but they do have that product as well. So then you just take this off, and that's just a piece of cardboard, and then this is how it looks. I think this is actually supposed to be a caddy so you can pull it out and use it. But here is the first item, and it is a healing foam. I want to say with these products, they're basically a better version of like the Dermacell and the Tux, but I'm not too sure. I'm just going on a limb there, but it seems like that is what they were doing here. Now I can open this later and show you how it foams up, but you have to give me we'll probably do that in a little bit. Oh, my box is closing. Okay, next we have, is there anything over here? No. Well, what's over here? We have the liners. You have 24 in there. It's witch hazel, speed healing, reduced swelling, no harsh chemicals, full coverage. Look at that. Full coverage. So yeah, it's really giving me And you get 4 of these. So these are the briefs. They seem like they'll be pretty stretchy. I can't do it with one hand, y'all, but seem like it'd be pretty stretchy, you know? So that's the briefs. Let's try the foam. Okay, so this is the foam. And basically what you're supposed to do with this foam is just, it's just right on top of your undies, and it's supposed to provide that cooling, I'm not sure if this one numbs it. I want to say it does, but it doesn't really say anything on here. It just says, well, I guess so, because it says it helps to relieve pain, swelling from hemorrhoids and childbirth. So maybe I'll just have to wait to tell, but that's the foam. It's the foam. You just put it on there. I wonder how that will feel. Would you like wipe it? Wipe it in, you know, because that's gonna feel kind of weird now, wouldn't it? Yes, we'll have to see. But yeah, that's the foam. That's the foam there. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you guys like this video, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Comment down below if you have any kind of Frida Mama or Frida Mom, sorry, added more extra to it. Frida Mom products. Comment down below if you also would like to try it, or if you try it, comment down below, okay? Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to join the tribe.